Happy, Mokuna come, Moku bad, Una no gree. Happy, Mokuna come, Moku bad, Una no gree.
On the bye, una welcome to this channel where we give an ogbonge updates. This one just a rant because men never come outside. The time when men come outside, na body bags they come out. Use carry them come out.
It is a play we come to play, ba. Come out if you beat thunder, fire your father. Come out if you beat don't work out.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening, my beloved followers. And a very bad night and bad evening to the enemies of Biafra. The saboteur. You know, they are having nightmare, and they will keep having nightmare until the day they will finally enter 6 feet beyond. I'm here to update you because I've promised to do so earlier this morning, that I will still come on board to tell you what really conspired today. And I want you to begin to invite your friends and your loved one to join this broadcast. It's going to be brief as usual because we do not have time to talk long talk at all. Little time that we have, we will share it with you very little to update you and to keep you informed and ready to what is to come. Therefore, gather your friends and your family. Ask so many of them to follow this page, and then do them good to share the information, because information is power. It was yesterday that I told you that all the military forces are no longer going on with their respective uniforms. That all of them now are wearing civilian wear now, joining Ebube Aku or Ebube Atru. That is the latest now, and that is the idea, hope brought to them. So they notice that whenever they are dressing with their respective uniform, that ESM, sorry, there's nothing like ESM again, that Biafra Liberation Army, that is a BLA, notice them easily and destroy them. So they are now dressing like civilian and coming to the land of Biafra to destroy. But they did not know that we are 100 steps ahead of it. Nothing they can do. There is nothing they can do. Well, we want to apologize for the people that their shop was broken down today by these terrorists. We are sorry for your loss, but we want you to hold your peace and remain strong, this fight will not be long. These terrorists you see today, you will see them no more. They have come to Eko today. They have broken people's shop. While others were facing battle, some were busy breaking people's shop and then do away with people's goods and then set the shop on fire. My question is, what are those people's shop do you? You came to fight. No Biafra soldier is selling shop. No Biafra soldier have shop. Those shop you vandalize, none of them belongs to Biafran soldiers. But to show how wicked you are, because everywhere you go, you display your wickedness. Nigeria are the symbols of wickedness. You always like to display how wicked you are. You went to people's shop and vandalized the shop. You stole a lot of things. People that are selling phones, you break in their shop, you stole their phone, you stole charger, you stole money, and then you put the shop on fire. You went to shop that are selling rice, you stole their rice, you stole everything, and you set the shop on fire, leaving the battle that you came to fight. Are you normal at all? Why are you breaking people's shop? That is why God will keep punishing you. That is why God will keep destroying you, because you are wicked. Nigeria have never borrowed those people money to do their market. But today, you went there and broke in. They locked their shop, but you broke into their shop and stole goods and set the shop on fire. Wickedness in the high places. Wickedness. And that is why I apologize to those whom shop have been vandalized and set ablaze today. Sincerely, deeply, from our heart, we are sorry. Today they came with 10 armor tanks, everyone, and they divide themselves into two. We thought they came to fight, while we were on a very serious gun battle with others. Others were busy breaking people's shop in the market, because they know we cannot carry fight enter market, stealing people things, and that is what they know how to do the best. We are happy that we do not lose any soul, and we cannot lose soul. As I do always tell them, that we have died before and we refuse to die again. And ask them to tell you they are lost. But don't worry. As we say, this January is just a January of January. We will give you what you want once we enter February. You see those armor tank? The same way you stop coming with fighter jet, is the same way you will not able to use your armor tanker again. It is a promise. You know now, when we say something, we do something. And we always say what we can do. Imagine you with armor tank, 10, throwing bomb, shooting non-stop. But does it stop us? Did it stop you not from dying? Did it stop you from dying? You still die. You still die. And you know that sometimes when you come, we will not exchange bullet from with you because of the market people. Before these people will run away and find their safety place, you don't already think that you don't stand a better chance. On Sunday and on Monday, we should know that there is no market on Monday. You refuse to come. The day you know that there is no market, you can never turn up because you know everywhere will be open. You always want to use human shield. You want to use human being to shield yourself. You are a coward. You are a coward. You are a... You know the open space, and you cannot stand on an open space. You always want to use human being to see yourself. But don't worry. As I told you before, that February is going to be a very hot month for you. We will hunt you down, we will pursue you, and we will pursue you until you will be no more or nowhere to be found. It's a promise, not a threat. You know how we rule. You know how we rule. You know how we roll. We are coming. Nothing will save you. And this is to tell you also that I've been going around talking rubbish, that hope have made peace. And when I tell you that we did not make peace with anybody, some of you were saying I'm lying. You have seen it, right? We don't lie.
Yes, now welcome back to this channel where we drop update for now. On the matter of this Hope Obanjo, anybody will carry rumors say Hope they make peace with Biafra agitation now pure lie. Hope na Fulani man. Abuja na in resident. Imo State na where he dey do in his own atrocities. So make not forget that thing where they talk say maybe Hope don't join Liberation Army or probably don't join Biafra agitation. They put him there for the purpose of Islamization, to oppress Indians, because they will not bow to them as Fulani, as Hausa people don't bow to them, they capture Hausa land. As Yoruba people don't bow to them, those are Fonja, they capture them, Ilori, and all those things. But because they don't see us penetrate for a long time, now why they can't install Hope Obanjo. And I know say the first time we got Hope first win that governorship election, they carry him from number 4th position, count number 1. If you imagine that kind of thing, and because it is who they in charge. But now anybody call the carry rumor say Hope Obanjo, they agitate for Biafra alive. On this matter, me I go rest my case.